Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are fixing the issue where the Instagram messages are not sending. Maybe your DMs are getting stuck or messages are failed to deliver. You can just go over and follow up these solutions for that. Start by switching up to your network so you can look out for the Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you connected. And you can try even just going to the flight mode and turn it on and turn it off once again and see if that fixes your issue. If not that, you can also restart your router and connect to your Wi-Fi and look out for the messages once again on your Instagram application. Also clear the cache for Instagram. Long press Instagram for that and go to the info. And once you go over to the info, you can just go over, scroll down, find storage and tap on it. And within storage, look out for the clear cache. That should fix the stuck messages and DMs not delivering. Also update your app. So go to Play Store for that. And once you go to Play Store, go to the search and you can just go over and look out for Insta and find the update of Instagram if there is any kind of available. Outdated versions can cause the sending issues. And also try not using any kind of VPN if you're trying to send messages in Instagram. That should also probably fix it. And if you have sent too many DMs in a short time, Instagram temporarily blocks sending, so you can just go over and try again later. You can just wait from 1 to 24 hours and try DMing once again. And that's it. These solutions will help you fix Instagram issues, Instagram messages not sending on any of the devices. So if your DMs are still not sending, you can try it out. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.